Find the multiplicative inverses for the numbers shown. Put a comma between each answer. So we're looking for the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of each number. And an example of that is 1/2 times 2 over 1 equals 2 over 2, which is 1. So 1/2 and 2 over 1 are multiplicative inverses. So if you have a regular fraction, you can just reverse the numerator and denominator or flip it over. So 3/4 is simply going to be 4/3 for a multiplicative inverse. Now for this 3 1/3, a mixed number, this one's a little more complicated. You have to make it an improper fraction first and then flip the numerator and denominator. So 3 1/3 equals 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10 thirds. So then we're going to do the reciprocal of 10 thirds, and that's going to be 3/10. So 3/10 is the next one. If you have a whole number or integer, put it over 1 and then find the reciprocal that way. So you flip the numerator and denominator and you're going to get 1/6. And if you have a negative number, the multiplicative inverse has to be negative also. And the reason why, well, let's try one. Negative 2/3 and negative 3/2. Let's multiply those together. Negative 2/3 times negative 3/2. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. And negative times negative makes positive. And that equals 1. 6 divided by 6. So you have positive 1. So negative times negative makes positive is why you have to have a negative multiplicative inverse for a negative number. So here are all your 4 inverses with a comma in between each one.